Where will interest rates be in 2023? I'm so glad you asked. According to the Freddie Mac Mortgage Rate Survey, the national average for conventional 30-year fixed rate was 6.33% with no points for the week ending January 12th. I do believe rates will live in the 5% range for the majority of 2023, but let's look at some data to see how fast we'll get there and how low they'll actually get. First, let's review why rates moved up so fast. The Fed slowed down and eventually stopped purchasing mortgage-backed securities, but the main driver was the Fed rapidly increasing the funds rate to curb inflation. These two factors caused mortgage rates to rise really fast. So what's going to drive mortgage rates down? We need inflation to continue cooling so the economy can slow down. This is already happening, which is good. But the monthly CPI numbers need to stay friendly so rates can remain on the decline. Number two, the Fed needs to slow down and eventually stop increasing the federal funds rate. My gut tells me that March is going to be a big month for rates in general. If the CPI numbers continue to show inflation cooling, I predict the Fed will only increase the funds rate by 0.25% and mortgage rates will begin to fall more consistently. Some experts believe that unemployment numbers need to go up before the Fed will officially announce a recession, which usually pushes mortgage rates even lower. I personally believe we're already in a recession, but hey, they didn't ask my opinion. So when will rates move down? Remember, average 30-year rates were in the mid-7s during October and early parts of November, so they're already on the decline. We'll get to my prediction in a second. But how fast are they going to move down? Well, that depends on the speed and the frequency of the Fed stopping the rate hikes, unemployment numbers, recession, etc. But I do think that mortgage rates will move down more consistently after the March Fed meeting, but maybe not as fast or as low as we may like. So here it is, my 2023 mortgage interest rate prediction for the average conventional 30-year fixed loan published by Freddie Mac. Q1, I think will fluctuate in the 5.875 to 6.25 range. Q2, I think will live in the 5.5 to 5.75 range. And Q3, I think will remain in that 5.5% range. And Q4, I think will live and end the year in the 5.25% range. Hey, I hope I'm wrong and rates end up even lower. Overall, my projection is that rates will fluctuate and normalize in the 5% range for the majority of 2023 with the potential for a lower rate movement into 2024, which could set us up for a nice real estate recovery. In my next video, guys, I'm going to talk about something even more important, what all this means for you. If this video brought value to you, please do me a favor. Hit that like button and share your rate prediction for 2023 in the comments below. Let's go.